Okay, to the last question, number three, what are the some tips or techniques for planting mangrove seedling to ensure their survival and longevity? So, say longevity, para mas mataas iyang lifespan. So, for me, to ensure the survival and longevity of mangrove seedlings, it's essential to plant them in correct tidal zone, typically in areas with a mix of sand, silt, and clay, and with adequate water flow. So planting seedlings during the colder months using a sturdy planting stake and providing sufficient spacing between seedlings can also promote healthy growth. Regular monitoring and maintenance, including removing debris and preventing pest infestations, are crucial for the seedling long-term survival and success. So therefore, it's very important jud sa lugar, location, and especially the type of soil nga imong tamnan. So therefore, based on research, mostly when we talks about mangroves, i-plant jud siya sa mga naay lapok or siguro bas man siya pero dili jud ingon nga bas nga pure jud para sa mga beaches. So therefore, mangroves mas mabuhi siya if it is na mix of silt, mga lapok, mga naay gamay nga sand. So therefore, makaingon jud ko nga importante ang lugar when planting mangroves, especially kung ga-expect ka nga kinahanglan mo daghan unya mo taas pas panahon ang imong gusto mahitabo. So that's all.